So, you're sitting there, minding your own business, maybe sipping on a latte, scrolling through your phone, and you see this shiny new investment app called Acorns. It's promising to grow your money like magic, right? And then, the question pops up, can I actually trade crypto on this thing? Because let's face it, crypto is hot right now, and everyone wants a piece of the pie. So, let's dive in and find out if Acorns is your golden ticket to Crypto Town. First off, let's talk about what Acorns actually is. For those who are new to the game, Acorns is essentially an investment app that rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. It's a pretty cool concept, right? You're basically turning your everyday spending into a small investment portfolio. But can it handle the wild world of crypto? Well, the short answer is, not really. While Acorns offers a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and even fractional shares, cryptocurrencies are not currently on the menu. It's a bit like going to a pizza place and asking for sushi. It's just not going to happen. Now, you might be thinking, but wait, there's gotta be a way. And you're not wrong. There are a few workarounds that some people suggest. One popular idea is to use Acorns to invest in companies that are involved in the crypto industry. For example, you could invest in companies that mine cryptocurrency, develop blockchain technology, or offer crypto-related services. While this might seem like a clever workaround, it's important to remember that investing in individual stocks is risky. The stock market is volatile, and the crypto industry is even more so. So, if you're looking to invest in crypto, this might not be the most stable approach. Another option is to use Acorns to invest in ETFs that have exposure to the crypto market. An ETF, or exchange-traded fund, is a type of investment fund that tracks an index, commodity, or a basket of assets. Some ETFs include cryptocurrency-related assets in their portfolio. While this is a slightly less risky approach than investing in individual stocks, it's still important to do your research. ETFs can be complex, and it's crucial to understand the underlying assets before you invest. But let's be real, if you're looking for a dedicated platform to trade crypto, Acorns probably isn't the best choice. There are countless crypto exchanges out there that offer a wide range of digital currencies, advanced trading features, and better security. So, should you give up on Acorns completely? Well, that depends on your overall investment goals. If you're just starting out and want a low-cost, hands-off way to invest your spare change, Acorns could be a great option. But if you're looking to dive deep into the world of crypto, you'll need to explore other platforms. Remember, investing involves risks, and it's essential to do your own research before making any decisions. Cryptocurrencies are particularly volatile, and the market can be unpredictable. So, invest wisely and be prepared for potential losses. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.